What's up, guys? Will of Will H Tech Review back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at some webcam covers that were sent out to me by a company called PALADOU. So a big shout out to them for providing these for a review. So these are the laptop webcam camera cover slide, phone front webcam cover, camera blocker for iPhone, iPad, PC, computer, MacBook Pro, Surface tablets, your smartphones, protecting private and security. These come in a pack of 6, and they are black in color. And this is kind of what they're going to look like right here. So you can, here's the way that they work right here: open, normal status, and close. And you can use them with different devices. So you can pick these up on Amazon.com, $8.98 if you want to pick them up. But let's look at some of the features and details here. This is best privacy protection method right there. These have a removable slide design. You can open and close the webcam cover with a simple finger movement. Lightweight and thin, ultra thin design, 0.03 inches. And it won't damage your laptop or your mobile phone. They have high quality, strong adhesive, and a wide range of devices can be used with, including your PS4s, smartphone, laptops, tablets. Is suitable for all electronic devices. So here's a simple packaging that it comes in right here. And let's get this open, check these out. Go. So until this company sent this out, I really didn't think too much about possibilities of someone possibly, spying on you through your camera, but that is a possibility. So you do get your wet and dry wipes here, and then you get your little covers here. And they come in a neat little carrying case right here. Just drop one out. So there it is, your webcam covers. And this is how one of them would look. So tiny, man, I don't want to drop it. So there it is. Try to get that in focus. Let me just balance it on one finger. So there it is right there, guys. And here's the back of it with your adhesive. So that is open right there. Let me go ahead and try and get this closed, and then I'll show you. Okay, so this is closed, and all I did was slid that over, so you can see right there. And then if you want to open it back up, fat fingers here, just go ahead and open it back up right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my iPad here. So here's my iPad, and we're gonna put this one on there and check it out. So they give you a wet and a dry. So I'm gonna go ahead, let's see, here's the wet. Let's get this cleaned off so it'll stick real good. It's supposed to be some high quality adhesive on there, so we'll see how this works, guys. So I don't know about using this on a phone or anything like that, but maybe on your PC. I'm gonna show it on my computer too. So let's go ahead and get this dry one here. They don't give you but one wet and dry, so you got 6 of them on there. So you're gonna have to come up with your own wet and dry wipes here. So just go ahead and peel this off like so. And hopefully I can position this over my camera here. So there's the camera. Oh, I missed it. Come on, Will. All right, so I'm trying to square it up here. So there it is in place. And trying to do this behind the camera, guys. So, all right, there it is in place. All right, let's go ahead and get the iPad turned on here. And then we'll check it out, see how it works. Oh, there it is, it's already on. Get into it. All right, so Here's the iPad. Let's go in the camera here. Here it is. All right, so let's go to front facing camera. So there's old Will H behind the camera there. And we're gonna go ahead and close this off. So there it is, completely blocking. No more Will H on the camera. And it slides pretty easy, guys. So there's Will again. And no more Will. So that works pretty good, and it's on there in place pretty good, guys. I like that. It's very easy to slide, as you can see. Not taking much effort to slide it. And so that looks pretty good. And here it is how it looks on your device. Let me turn that off. So not very distracting or anything like that. It looks pretty good. So I'm gonna bring over my PC and try it on it as well. Okay guys, so we're back in. I do have one on my laptop and I have it closed right now. I had a camera app open and everything. So let's go ahead and slide it open. Works good, as you guys can see. These stick pretty good. They don't come off too easy, as you can tell. And when it blocks it off. And it's not covering up any of the camera either. You get your full view of your camera right there. And doesn't look intrusive or anything. Now, if I were to put it over here, it would probably block the little, is that a flash on there? Not sure if that's a flash or not, but it would have blocked that. So these are neat, man. Great idea. The link will be in the description if you guys want to pick this up. These are the PALADOU laptop web camera covers. So catch you guys in the next video. Will H, and I'm out.